Hey guys, here showing you how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2014 Chevy Camaro. This is the 5th generation Camaro, so this will be through from 2010 through 2015. This is a V6 LT model, although that really shouldn't matter. They should all be the same cabin air filter. The cabin air filter is located under the hood on the passenger side, right, I guess directly right in front of the windshield wiper there. You would only need a flathead screwdriver, possibly a pair of pliers if you need it, to pop off the pins. There's little push pins like these here. There's 3 of them. There's one right here. There's one right here by the hinge, and then there's one right here. You just stick your flathead screwdriver straight up under it, pry it up a little bit, and then pick it up like so. The center part probably will come out most likely. Then you can just use your flathead screwdriver to get up underneath the other portion of it, and just lift it up out of the hole like so. So it'll look like this. This here little guy pops in there like that. And as I was saying, you can just stick the flathead screwdriver right in here, pry it up, and pull the pin out like this. So like I said, there's 3 of those. Before you do that though, you'll want to just take this weather stripping and just pick it up, and you can just set it behind the side over here. Also, there's this thing right here. You can just pull this up as well and just set it down to the side. Then you'll go on ahead and remove those 3 plastic pins. Okay, after those are removed, you can go ahead and just lift this here cover off. You're going to have to, maneuver it out of the way a little bit, and just pull it off completely, and just set it down on top of the engine is fine. Okay, after you've gotten the cover off and set down to the side, you'll now be looking at the cabin filter housing, which is this deal here. This is actually a plastic cover that can be removed. It just comes off the top. On the very sides of this, there are 2 tabs you'll see that are attached to this piece. You just push it outward and push this side towards this way, and it'll come right off, just like so. These are the little tabs here I was talking to you about. You'll see them. You just push these here outward, and then you can take this whole deal off. Now you'll be looking at the cabin filter, which is right here. This will just pull straight out. Do note that the airflow arrow is here. When you reinstall the new one, make sure that you can see this where it says airflow. It's flowing in towards the car, obviously. So just take this one out. This one looking pretty dirty. And you can go on ahead and pop the new one right into place. Oh, but don't drop it in there like that. Just slides right back in like so. And then you'll go on ahead and reinstall the cover back into place. It just should pop right back down, just like so. And then you can go on ahead and put the cover back on that you took off. Might have to, take a little bit of maneuvering to get it back into place. It should go back on relatively easily without any major hang-ups. And then you can go on ahead and slide this guy. Make sure it's all the way in completely, because it may take a little bit of maneuvering to get it to where it needs to be. Then you'll go on ahead and put the plastic push pins back into place. And then you'll go on ahead and put the weather stripping back on. Don't forget to put this little piece back in. Just pop it right in there, just like that. and that's all there is to it. If you have any comments or questions, please ask them in the comment section below. Your first time to the channel, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. I've been a little behind on my uploads. I apologize. I was trying to make sure that I stay with every week. I do try to upload every week, so if you like this, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the way out. Alright guys, I'll see you later.